Good evening to everyone and welcome
Good
to
evening,
this
sir.
24th session. And this is the last session of quantitative technique. So today we'll cover the transportation model and review of entire session. Okay, quantitative techniques, and I'll talk about question paper pattern also. So first we'll complete the transportation model, then we'll move to review plus the pattern, question paper pattern for the final examination. Okay, is it my voice is audible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I'll share the screen. So, anybody tell me what is prescriptive analytics and how that linear programming is useful? When you will use the linear programming, any area? Anybody? Linear programming, LP, linear programming.
Scientific operations.
Yeah, please tell me.
Quick operations.
Huh?
When there is a resource is limited, we use.
Allocating the scarce resource.
Yeah, scared.
To find the optimal solution by using the limited resources available.
Yes, yes. So if you look at this, any company if you take, there are limited resources. Not only resources mean not only machine or money, a lot of things will be there. So how you are using less resources to make the best outcome? Best outcome may be either minimum or maximum. Profit mean maximum, minimum mean cost related. Okay. So linear programming we are using linear. Why is called linear? Because that objective function. What is the objective function? So objective function, did you remember? Here objective function somewhere we have written, right? If you look at this is called are you able to see my PPT?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so this is called objective function. This is a linear. For example, if you put 1 unit, how much will increase? 30. Okay, if you put 2 unit, corresponding 30 will increase. Okay, that is called linear. Okay, that's a linear relationship. Okay, it's not square or something. That is called linear program. Okay, so today we are going to move to the second type of prescriptive analytics, otherwise called operational research or operation research or management science. Now we are going to see transportation model. Okay, so the name itself is so that how you are moving a product from a source to a destination. Okay, for example, in supply chain, maybe supplier to manufacturing plant, sometimes manufacturing plant to warehouse, sometimes warehouse to retail stores. Okay, then retail store, how we are reaching to the different consumers. Okay, so in order to move this product or either is a finished product or semi-finished or raw material, one of the cost is incurred in this process is transportation cost. Okay, so how we are going to use scientific method like analytics tool like a transportation model to minimize the cost, which is the shortest route, which is the best route to deliver your product in order to minimize the overall cost. Here, the transportation we are not talking about one retail to let's say one supplier to one manufacturer. We are talking about the entire system. Okay, if you look at the MNC company, big companies and all, so there will be a lot of manufacturing plant and a lot of retail stores will be there. So in order to make the best route, okay, the best route is a minimize the transportation cost. How we are going to do? We are going to learn from this transportation model. Okay, so if you look at this is the some India map or no of India map. If you look at this, so these are the warehouses. If you look at the P everything is a factory. There are how many factories are there? P1, P2, P3. Three factories are there. Warehouse how many are there? 1, 2, 3. Okay, 3 warehouses. Okay, one in South India, one is east, west, and north. Okay, so if you have 4 factory, if you take some company like Amul or anything, or maybe you can take some other company, retail company, Big Bazaar, anything. So how they are making some plant. Okay, there will be manufacturing. How they are making product and delivering to different warehouse. Okay, if you look at the big MNC company, they will not directly send their product to the in consumer or retail. They will be sending to warehouse or distribution center. From that they will go to the different places. Okay, so if assume that you are the manager for this company, how you are going to make the transportation cost is very less. Okay, so this is a simple graph. Okay, for example, moving a factory 1 to warehouse 2. So there will be a 5 unit. They love to know the cost. Okay, already they know the based on the past history. So they know the how much the transportation cost. So once you have data in the Excel, we can use this model to get the best route and least cost. Okay, So if you look at these are some of the assumption, supply equal to demand. Supply is 100 unit, mean demand also should be 100. If matching also okay, matching will be better. So you should know the unit, how much you are transferring from one unit to another unit. For example, one factory to another warehouse, how much you are sending. So there will be no restriction. So these are some of the assumptions. So here we are minimization or maximization. Cost should be minimized. Always cost should be, transportation cost should be minimized. Okay. So even though we call this model is a which one transportation model. Okay. But we can use it for other purpose also. For example, production scheduling. For example, you know any factory, if you have 5 machine and different material of which machine you have to put which material, that also you can do it. For example, assume that you are conducting some event in IAPM or like some cultural event. So which student has to be assigned to which task. Okay, so here there will not be cost, there will be a time, less time. Okay, so with available budget, how to do it. So wherever possible, you can apply. The name itself is a transportation model. Initially they use for transportation, but they are using for other purpose also, for production scheduling, game allotment. Okay, so here the complex situation also they are using. Okay, so here also we are using the algorithm is simplex method. Okay, simplex method we are using. So we'll take the first problem and we'll do it in the Excel. So assume that we have some factory. Okay, factory for agri input company, manufacturing, fertilizer manufacturing factory. So there are 4 factories are there, 1, 2, 3, 4 factory, and market. Market mean so that there are 4 markets. So they're dividing India into 4 market: North India, South India, East, West, and so there are 4 market they divided. Okay, so factory maximum the manufacturing is how much? 250 tons of fertilizer. Second factory, how much the manufacture maximum capacity? 300. Capacity mean how much they can make. For example, if you look at small classroom and maximum how much people can sit. So if you look at the aeroplane or bus, there will be a capacity, will be the seating capacity. So it is called seating capacity. Here the manufacturing capacity. You can't manufacture more than this. It will not support the labor and it will not support the machine, working hours. So third factory 100 tons, fourth factory 200 tons. They can take it from the second data. So market demand based on last year. So market 1 maximum demand is 250 tons. Market demand for BA is 200. Market 3 is 200 and market 4 also 200. If you are manufacturing a factory 1 and sending to market 1, so 1 ton how much it cost? 5 rupees of transportation cost. If you are manufacturing from first factory and sending to the fourth factory, 3 rupees. So all these things are what? Transportation cost for 1 unit. 1 unit you can take it as a 1 ton. Okay, we are talking about ton here. Okay, so this is the situation. So using this, now we are going to see which factory to which market you are delivering the product in order to minimize the transportation cost, and also you have to match the capacity. So you should not be over capacity, and also demand also should be met. So in this complex situation, how we are going to get the best transportation network plus minimization cost. Okay, so this is what we are going to do. So we can do this previous mathematical formula. In the mathematical formulation, what are the things are covering? What are the things are coming? Mathematical formulation. Remember the second step, right? What are the things will come in the
Decision variable,
decision
objective
variable?
function.
Objective functions,
Function,
constraints, and non-negativity.
Constraints and non-negativity.
non-negative.
Yeah, from this diagram, from this case study, can you please tell me what is the decision variable? Anybody? What is the decision variable?
Unit, sir, x1.
Yeah, so unit. Okay, so normally unit we are using the decision variable bearing which symbol?
X1.
X1. So if you look at this, which factory to which market, whether how much you have to send from factory 1 to X1. So how many X1 will come? 16. Okay, 16. 16 X1 will come. So this first two X1 is number of unit transported from factory 1 to market 1. X2 will be number of unit transported from factory 1 to market 2. Like this, how many decision variable?
16.
16 decision variable. Okay, so you are able to understand X1 to X16. Okay, second one is what?
Objective function.
Objective function. Minimization or maximization? Minimization. Okay,
Minimization.
so is what?
Cost minimization.
Constraints.
Yeah, this is that. So if you look at this, what is the decision variable? How to frame the decision variable? Any idea?
Demand, constant demand.
How to not decision variables, objective function. How to formulate the objective function? Already we identified decision variable. How to formulate the objective function?
With the total into
If you look at the
decision.
pi into
Decision.
x1 plus 4 into x2 plus
4
6
into
like
x2.
this will come. Okay, so how many will come? Into 6 times will come. Each one, this is the cost. X is what? Unit. Please don't confuse. X is the unit. How much unit you are? X is what? How much unit you are transporting from factory 1 to market 1. That is a unit.
Okay.
What is the data we are getting here is what? This data is what? Unit or cost?
Cost, sir.
This is cost.
Cost, sir.
Cost. So we are, for example, we are sending 10 unit from factory 1 to market 1. How much the cost will come?
50.
50.
50.
Okay, x is the decision variable, that is quantity. Okay, so objective function will be a combination of quantity plus decision variable. X is what? Decision variable. X1 plus pi plus 4 into x2 plus 6 into x2. Okay, if you quantity into cost, if you calculate, it will give the total cost, overall total cost. That is a objective function. Okay, then what is the constraint? What are the constraint? How many constraint will come? Any area? How many constraint will come? How many constraint? So it will be,
Force.
yeah, x1 to x16 is the decision variable. So if you look at this market one constraint, so pi x1 plus 7x2 whatever it is, 4x3 or 8x equal less than or equal to 250. This will be one constraint. This will
250.
be second constraint. This will be third constraint. This will be fourth constraint. This will be
Fourth
other demand factory 1, factory 2. How many
Eight
constraints?
Eight.
8
constraint.
constraints. How many non-negativity constraint will come?
16, sir.
16. Each decision variable will be either will be 0 or more than 16.
16 non-negativity
Non-negativity
constraints.
constraint. Okay, so this is the situation. So it's very difficult to write it as a mathematical formula. So directly we are going with the Excel now. We are not going to use a mathematical formula. Writing it will take a lot of time. But same process we are going to use in Excel without any kind of write-up. Okay. So now everybody open the Excel sheet called transportation. I'll also open. Are you able to see my Excel sheet?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, everybody ready with the Excel sheet now?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
Yeah, please open
No,
and let
sir.
me know. Separate sheet is there. Yeah, everybody ready with the Excel sheet? Once you view, let me know. Okay. After that, just copy and put it down. Just put it down. Control X. This is the delete. Put it like this. This is a format I'm going to do. Just copy paste and delete this values. Okay. So now this cell, all this cell will come under what? Our which one? Decision variable. Okay. Objective function. OF mean what? Objective function. So this is our objective function. Okay. Objective function. So how many cells are blank here? 16 cells. Okay. So the capacity. This is the available capacity. Okay. So this is called which one? Available demand. Okay. Available demand to the map. Okay. So what we are going to find out is allocated. Okay. Allocated capacity. Okay. how much we are going to allocate. We are not going to allocate. Excel will allocate. Okay. So allocated capacity. J. This is a demand side. Okay. So this is the first step. Let me know. You type it in chat window whether completed up to this step. Red color we are going to use for constraint. Okay. Please let me know in the chat window. I'll wait for 2 to 3 minutes. Make it fast. Like to do some case study. Then that's with this completing QT session. Then we'll go to a review of the entire QT session. So please type it in chat window. Sadish Kumar, roll number 5, Dinesh, Akhil completed. I'll wait for some time. Okay, time is now 21. Another 3 minutes. Okay, now, so decision variable. Normally we'll put empty cell, right? Decision variable, nothing is there. Are you able to hear my voice? Are you able to see my screen and voice? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this is the decision variable. Okay. So now second one is objective function. Okay, equal to. See how to do this one? Any idea? Anybody? So normally 5 into which one? This cell. So it will take a lot of time to do it. How many times you have to do?
16.
16 times.
16 times.
It's very difficult. So better we'll use one function called sum product. There is something called SUM, sum product. Use this sum product means it will automatically you have to give only 2 tables. A different combination it will multiply. Okay, this is the first table, comma, second table. That's it. First table, comma, second table. First table, what is this? From this to this. How much you are getting, everybody? How much you are getting? Answer the objective function total.
Zeros.
0. Why 0?
Zero.
Because
Zero, sir. This table is zero.
empty cell. So Excel will give
No
the
value.
first. OF mean objective function. Okay, normally we'll put symbol as which symbol? Z. Okay. Here is the minimization. Okay, shall I proceed? Some product, no, do some,
Yes, sir.
some product. you have to say. Okay, that's it. Now allocated demand. Okay, so whatever the Excel will give answer here. So based on this, we'll get the allocated. So you just add it, sum of the cell. That's it. Okay, just drag it. Okay, here no need. This two is nothing is needed. Up to this up to this 4 you can drag it. Okay, same value. Okay, you want here the dollar symbol still is there. If you want, you can just use this format paint. Then you put it any empty cell because the dollar symbol is coming. No need of the dollar symbol. Okay. Leave it. Leave it. If you're not doing this, leave it. Up to this, you do it. Okay. Mainly objective function and sum. Here also, sum is close cell. Okay, close the bracket and drag up to here. So based on this, whatever value you are filling, it's not be more than how much. I just are able to see my cursor. Just here, this whatever the Excel are filling the value, it's not be more than how much. 250. Okay, so whatever this, it should be more than 250. Less is okay. Here also not more than. If you look at it, whatever the cells are filling here, it should not be more than 250. Here, whatever the cells are filling, it should not be more than 300. So how many constraints? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 constraints. Only one time you do it, then you drag it. Sum. After that, you can go to solver. Okay, up to this I'll do it. Here. Yeah, please let me know once you're ready with this step up to this step. The new Excel window. Old Excel, you have to go to option and you have to select the linear and assume non-negativity. Yeah, let me know once you're ready. Then I'll proceed.
Sir, how to change that rupee sign, sir? It's still there, sir.
No, you just select any empty cell.
Okay, sir.
Empty cell and go to home tab. This one format painter. If it is there, also no problem. Leave it. Huh? Just
Okay,
select the format, it will remove it.
Okay, sir.
If it is there, no problem. Leave it. But it's not actually it's not a dollar. It's a unit. Okay, this is only dollars. Okay, this is only dollars. Okay. Now, what is the objective function? Which is the objective function? B, this one, that this color, right? This is the objective function. Now you have to minimization or maximization.
Minimization.
Minimization.
Whatever value you are getting, to minimize. Okay. Which is the changing cell? The 16 yellow cell. Okay. 16 yellow cell. Add constraint. Okay. So this is the value. So this is the left hand side core cell. Okay, all are same symbol. Okay, but less than or equal to this one. So this is whatever you are allocating. Okay, that allocating mean making protection. Either should be less is okay. For example, if you are you can use your mobile for or laptop for continuously for 24 hours. You can use 22 hours also okay. If you more than 24 hours wherein what will happen? Error will come or something will come. Okay, need rest. So whatever the cell referential LHS, LHS should be lesser or equal. Equal mean exactly okay. Add. Then demand. This is allocated. LHS is allocated. Either you can put less than or equal. Which one you want? You want to give fulfill the exactly or less also okay. Demand. Okay, let's see. Less than we'll see. Sometimes you have to demand mean you have to go with the equal. Equal mean why? Because sometimes if you give lesser, they'll be dissatisfied. They'll go to the some other competitor. If you go more than what is the demand, what will happen? The product has to waste. You have to incur the inventory cost. Okay, so always demand equal is better, but less is okay normally. But particularly food, like our agriculture related product, less is okay because if you more demand in supply, what will happen? Waste you can't store. It will be perishability will be there. Okay, so here you use less, but you can use equal also. Then cancel, then that's all. Anybody got answer?
Sir, can you show it once again, sir?
Okay. Here I will come one more time. Listen here. Delete everything. Here I got this one. So objective function will be this one. And this cell. Okay. And minimization you have to check. Then all yellow arrow will be decision variable. Then constraint. First you have to do the 4 allocated. Less than or equal to available. Allocate mean how much you are using for utilizing. Available mean this one. Add. This one is also available demand. Less than or equal to, don't change the symbol. This 4. Attach this you select it. It just refer the cell. See here, you are able to see the cell. The cell you refer, that is the logic. I'll wait for some time, 2 minutes. Anybody got answer me, let me know. How much you got it answer? Anybody got answer? The first 2 steps you have skipped. Okay, why it is because it's very difficult to write. You write 6 times, 16 times for decision variable. And this directly went to third step. Third and fourth step. Anybody got answer?
5950, sir. Objective function.
This one?
Objective function 5950.
3550. You use minimization or maximization? Answer should be 35550. Let's see how much I'm getting. Let's see. Government. Okay, one more time. No, sorry, 5950, right?
Yes,
Sorry,
sir.
yeah, 59.
5950.
Okay. Objective function minimization, changing cell. Getting some answer. Try to change it to equal. So better use equal, huh? Equal symbol for demand. Okay. 3550, huh? Better use equal symbol here. Then you take this one. Demand, better use equal. Huh? See, now look at this. Available demand is 250, 250 is matching. 300, 300 is matching. 100 is available. We allocated as 100. 200 is available. Allocated as 200. 250, 250, 200 is matching. No wastage. Better you put equal symbol demand.
After equal symbol only it is coming, sir.
No, sound is slow.
Sir, after okay, sir. After sir putting equal symbol only it is coming. Before
Okay,
that it is not coming.
Okay, maybe let's equally put.
Yes, sir.
Because demand normally under demand also problem, lower demand also problem. Under demand, what will happen? If your demand is 100, but you are supplying only 90 mean, 10 product you are not submitting, then customer will be dissatisfied. But the demand is 100, you are supplying 110 mean, what will happen? 10 you have to keep it in warehouse where inventory cost will come. Better you go with equal. So how many people got answer? Please type it in chat window. Yeah, got it. A lot of people got it. Okay, very good. So please write down the conclusion. Shall I proceed? Shall I proceed with the conclusion? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Write down.
Yes, sir.
Write down. The optimal transportation cost of cost for this case study is dollar whatever rupees 3,550 when company adopting the following distribution network. When company adopting the following distribution network. I'll repeat again. The optimal transportation cost for this case study, how you can write agri fertilizer manufacturing industry is rupees 3,550 when the company adapting the following distribution network. When company adapting the following distribution network. You write down this one. Are able to see my this one factory and market. Okay. Factory 1. Distribution. So factory 1, F1. Factory 1 to which place you have to select? Then here factory 1 to which one? Market 1. How much unit? How much unit is already there? How much unit you have to do? Factory 1 to market 1. How much unit?
50.
It is there no 50 unit. That's all.
50.
Okay. Factory 2 to. If you want, you can put some symbol. Factory 1 to market 2. How much? 200. Sorry, factory 1. Here is factory 1. Okay, factory 1. Factory 1, any other place, that's all. Okay, factory 2 to market 1. How much? 100 unit. Factory 2 to market 4. How much? 200. Factory 3. Factory 3 only to market. How much unit? 100 unit.
100.
Factory 4 to only to market
Market
3.
3.
How many unit? 200.
200.
Correct, na? So anybody, a factory 1, we should not send any product to market 1 and to market 3 and market 4. Factory only focusing on market 1 and market 2. No need to focus on anything. Anybody are getting order, no need. Factory 1, again market 1 and market 4. No need to focus on this. If you adopt this distribution network, what will happen?
Cost minimization for the company.
Yeah, total cost will be very good. If you want, you can just name check. I'm just putting. So this is the distribution network. Okay. So this is a managerial confusion. So if you change anything, what will happen? See, so if factory 1, if you send, is it possible to send 250 to 300 to market 1? Not possible because the maximum capacity is 250. So only 250 they can send. If you send 250, what will happen? Transportation cost will increase. So you have to play 50 and 20. So this is the managerial decision making. Have we completed? Please let me know.
Yes, sir.
Shall I go to the next case study or shall I wait for some more time? Anybody need time? Let me know. Shall I go to the next case study? One more case study you try now. Yeah, I'll go. Okay. Yeah. Take this case study. The data, similar data, same data will be available in the, I think, data 2. This data 2 is available. Just check it. So assume that Amul manufacturing company, okay, dairy company, they have a plant, 3 plants, okay, A plant, B plant, and a C plant. The maximum capacity of an A plant is 6 milliliter they can produce. B plant is 1 milliliter. C plant is 10 million. So they directly they are sending to plant, processing plant from Amul to the distribution center. So capacity for the distribution center, first distribution center is 7 million, second one is 5, third 3 and 2. The name is P2RS. Okay, the name of the processing plant is ABC. Okay, these are the A, B, and the C, 3 plant. Okay, and these are the virtual distribution center. Okay, if you look at this, so this is the what cost for if you manufacturing a plant and sending to P distribution. 1 unit of milk, how much cost is there? 2 rupees, whatever it is. Okay, so
rupees.
this is the cost. Okay, so now can you adopt the similar process? And now I want the what is the overall transportation cost plus which plant to which distribution we are sending. Okay, can you try now? Everybody go to Excel sheet, data 2, and find out the shortest distribution network from Amul 3 plant to 3 distribution center. Yeah, please let me know. You try. I'll wait for 5 to 10 minutes, then I'll also explain. Just refer the previous example, same process. Please refer the steps of previous example, same process you can adapt.
Sir, 100.
How much is coming?
100.
We'll see. Yeah, 100 is coming. Correct. Right. Factory A to which distribution was sending? Factory A. Hello.
Factory A to hello sir. Factory
please.
A to Q.
Factory A to
Q.
Q. How much? How much you need?
So 5 units.
Very good. Very good. Correct. 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 Okay, I'll share the screen. please check it. Huh? I'll share the screen. 1 minute. Yeah, are you able to see the screen now? Yeah, this is the answer 100. So this is the distribution network. How many people have got answer apart from Biswajit? Similar process you have to do it. Just you have to put some value here. Yeah, Nikita, very good. Then Akhil. Yeah, Ammu also got it. Dinesh. So this is the only problem is if you go to any company, you have to collect the data. But in this QT class, we are giving the data. But if you go to any company, you have to collect the secondary data. Definitely they will have the supply chain department or procurement department, they have this data. So only you have to collect the data and you have to make this table. Then the similar process you can adapt. See, this is a very simple process, but it will save a lot of cost to the company. Okay, the simple distribution change, it will have huge impact in the company. So I'll wait for another 2 minutes. So what is the distribution network from here? So if you look at this, so if this is the situation, mean what is the distribution network? So plant, okay, plant and DC, okay, how much unit, how much you are selling, this is the unit, okay. So A to where? Q and
A to Q and R.
R. Here 5, here how much? 1. Okay,
One.
then B only
B
one
to
place,
R.
only R, only one place. Then C
1. Unit
P
1. C to PRS.
P R. Yes. Here will be how much? 1, right?
1.
1 7
7. 1 2.
1 2. Okay, if you do this, this is the distribution you have to follow. So this is the you have to share with the supply chain team, and they have to adapt this network only. They should not change. Okay, if they change, what will happen? Either it will be supply and demand will not support, or cost will increase. Okay, it will not decrease, it will increase. Okay, this is the situation. So the optimal transportation cost will be 100. 100 mean maybe the 100 lakhs, whatever it is. 100 when they are adapting the following distribution network. So this is a distribution network. A to Q, A to this A plan only have to supply to Q and R. B plan only R. C we can send it to PRS, but you should not send to Q plant. So unit also, this is the unit. If you do this process, you will get the best transportation cost. That's it. Best transportation cost. All right. Okay. Now, can you try one more example? Is there in the data set? Can you try this one? If you have four plant and production house and that one distribution, how to distribute? You check it. Can you try this one? So this is the final examination. This one. After that, we'll go to a review of the class. Then we'll start. Are you trying this next example? Same process you adapt. This for practice purpose, you just try.
Sir, 180.
How much?
180.
We'll see. So 700 or 180? Check it one more time.
700, sir.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. I'm checking.
700.
Check one more time. So I'm getting 700. Let's see one more time. Why have been objective function? We should do some product. So you do no problem. Okay, then after that I'll delete it. This you have to delete it. Okay, 0 equal to that's it. Then you go to objective function. Are you able to see my screen?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Sorry. Just try. Just replicating this objective function and data. Then changing cell into this system. Add should be less than or equal to. Are you getting 70? Everybody? This should be equal, better equal.
700.
Equal to, yeah. Majority getting 700 or some other?
700.
700, sir.
Then linear to simplex. Don't change this one. Simplex. Yeah, I'm getting different. 1 minute. Yeah, I think I forgot to do maximization sum. The minimization. So previously I forgot to give this one, minimization. Are you getting this answer?
Yes, sir.
That's it. Now I'll close this. Anyway, those who are not able to follow or not able some internet issue, I'll share this recorded video. Slowly practice. Okay. So what I'll do is I'll go to revision.
Sir, sir.
Please tell me.
Sir, yes, sir. Sir, here total demand is not equal to total supply. It is more.
What happened?
Sir, here total demand is not equal to total supply. Here total demand is 200 and total supply is 220. That's why I guess problem.
Oh, it's not matching, huh?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
How come? This is 1 minute.
Yes, sir.
40, 40, 20, 20. Supply under supply. Correct only, no? Here, I'll show you 1 minute. Here, 40 supply and I allocated 40. Okay, no, 40, 20 is less allocated. That's okay. 50, 50. Here, if you look at this 90, 90, 30, 30, 50, 50, 30, 30 is matching, right?
90, 90, 30, 30.
Yeah, it's matching. See here, whatever
And
available
total,
demand.
sir, oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir. That one I got it. Like you told us, sir, in assumption, like total demand should be equal to total supply.
Yeah. That's okay. Well, yeah, an assumption. Yes, yes.
Yes, sir.
See, that is the overall. That is okay. The initial problem. That is initial.
Okay.
So the initial is here. For example, if you look at this value and this value should match. That's okay. This is the allocation. We're talking about. This is the allocation we are talking.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay. Now I'll go to the PPT. The final summary of our quantitative sessions. I'll open. This PPT is visible now. I shifted from Excel to PPT.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah. So if you look at this, we have learned this course. Normally, industry call it as a quantitative technique. We call it as a QT. Okay. So we used related to agri and food sector related example. Okay. We initially started with how the artificial intelligence are useful for agriculture. Okay. So artificial intelligence is the biggest version of analytics. Analytics is a base. Okay. Without analytics, artificial intelligence is not possible. Okay. So if you look at this, that is a first 2 class you have taken. After that, there is one more thing you have to understand. So there is a third tri-semester one course called research methodology. Okay. In research methodology, you will learning how to identify the problem, how to design the question, how to design the sampling, how to write interpretation. All these things will be covered. Okay. In the QT class, we have covered only sub part of the research methodology. That is data analysis. Okay. One part of research methodology is a data analysis. There are other parts of that defining the problem, defining the data collection process. Okay, so all these things will be covered in the third tri semester. Okay, So quantitative is a part of research methodology. Okay. So what is the simple meaning of quantitative techniques or analytics? What is the simple meaning?
Converting the raw data.
Raw data into information.
Converting the raw data
Converting
into
the raw data into information.
From that we are taking some decision. End of the day we are making the
Decision.
raw data into information for which purpose? Taking
The decision making.
data
Decision
driven,
making.
yeah, data driven decision making. That is the basic, core of this course, basic, fundamental of this course. Okay. So if you go to the companies, you have to collect the data. You have to clean the data. Okay. Once you here I have given the data, so clean the data. Okay. But 90-80% of the people who are before analysis, they will spend more time on cleaning the data. Nowadays they're talking about big data, all these things. We go to the survey or anything, the data quality is very questionable. So normally garbage in, garbage out. Okay, so now your quality of data is not good, the output also not good. Okay, based on the output or information, if you take decision, that also will be wrong. Okay, so before analyzing, you have to check the quality of data, whether you collect the right people, whether they responded rightly, whether data entry problem is there. All these things you have to check. But I didn't teach you in the classroom, so but we are directly went to converting data into information. But my suggestion is whenever you do any analysis, check the quality of data in terms of data entry, collection process, okay, the right resource sources, all these things you have to check. Okay, without this, if you analyze, what will happen? So something, if you take wrong water, what will happen? Your health will be not good, output will not be good. Similarly, the data, if you feed it into Excel with the wrong data, output also will be wrong. Excel is like a child. It will not tell you you have given wrong data, you are not used right, nothing. It will be very simple. Okay, if you ask to do some data analysis, it will do some output. Okay, as a manager, you should understand whether the quality of data is very good. Okay, that is the key point you have to understand before doing any data analysis. Okay, some part will be covered in such methodology in the third semester. Okay, so we have learned Excel element, basics of Excel and elements. What are the things we learn in basics of Excel? What are the things we learn in Excel?
Formulas.
Formulas.
That is okay. Before that we have learned, how to hide the table, how to enter. Okay, a lot of things will, small things we will learn. What is
Database.
what is the function reference? There are two reference we have used. Right? What are the two reference? Absolute reference and relative reference. All these things, small
Relative
things we have learned. Okay. So how many sheets we can create? What is the file name? All these things we have discussed the basics of Excel. Okay. Then what are the different types of quantitative technique or analytics?
Descriptive.
Descriptive.
Prescriptive.
Prescriptive. Okay, very good. What are the different types of variable? We have based on the
Dependent
nature,
variable and
different independent. Another way is the nature of data, cross-sectional, time series, and panel data. Okay, based on that, how you are collecting the cross-sectional, time series, and panel different also another classification. Okay, so there are we use data analysis package. Okay, what is the difference between tool and technique? What is the tool and technique? What the tool is what? Technique is what? Tool is the software. Okay, we use Excel software. Like
Tool is
other
Excel.
softwares are available. Okay, so the tool is the software, and the technique is the statistical technique, analytical technique, like chart, table, size square, all these things. Okay,
Size
tool is
square
the
and all.
software. Yeah. So what are the different types of
These are
measurement
tools
scale?
we are using.
Yes. What are the different types of measurement scale?
Nominal.
Nominal, ordinal,
Nominal,
Ratio and
ordinal,
interval.
ordinal,
The norm
ratio,
is very
interval.
important. Yeah. So all the four we can put in two buckets. What are the two buckets?
Arithmetic.
No.
Categorical.
Category.
Categorical and numerical.
Can calculate.
What is the difference between these two?
Can calculate.
Quantitative
Can
and
Arithmetic calculation.
calculation can
Arithmetic
be
calculation.
numeric
So
data.
category data, otherwise small data, we can't do arithmetic calculation. Only we can do tables, charts, okay, mode, something can do. Okay, numeric or quantitative data, we can do arithmetic calculation. Okay, so for this we can do any kind of data analysis. That is computer interval and ratio scale. Okay, that is very important. Okay, so what are the two types of statistics? What are the types of statistics?
Descriptive.
Descriptive and inferential.
Inferential.
Descriptive
Differential
what?
or prescriptive.
Yeah, descriptive and inferential, correct. What is descriptive? Sample to sample.
Taking sample Sample and projecting to the sample
The
itself.
sample itself.
sample data into summary.
Yeah, sample
Inferential
sample
means
is
taking
descriptive.
sample and projecting to
Projecting to
population.
Yeah,
population.
sample to population is the inferential, correct?
Yes, sir.
So we use some concept. Okay, what is population? What is sample? Okay, all these things is symbol also we have to discuss. Okay, so the in types of statistics we have started with the descriptive. In descriptive we have done formulas. Okay, formulas, functions. Okay, then graphical method, pie chart, bar chart. Okay, then we learn pivot table, pivot charts. Okay, then dashboard, how to create an interactive dashboard. Then descriptive what are the things will come under descriptive numerical statistics?
Measures of location.
Yeah, measures of location, mean, median, mode, sensitivity,
In median mode,
all
variance,
this.
standard.
So this is the first thing we covered. Okay. So then we went to predictive analytics. Okay. Then normally we adapted four-step process. Okay. So in this we learned hypothesis. What is hypothesis? Assumption. What are the two types of hypothesis?
Null hypothesis
Hypothesis and
and
alternate
hypothesis.
hypothesis.
Okay. Based on the p-value, we reject or accept the null hypothesis.
Null
Okay.
hypothesis.
Okay. P-value. What are the different levels of p-value?
3 types.
0.01,
0.01, 0.05, and 0.1.
0.10.
Yeah, three levels. Okay, everything based on the distribution. Okay, so we use the types of probability and the sampling. What are the two types of sampling?
Random sampling.
And sampling.
Random sampling and non-random sampling. Very good. Yeah. So then by each and every technique, what are the different techniques we learn in the inferential or predictive? T-test, ANOVA, chi-square.
Chi-square test.
Square test, t-test.
What we are about?
Relation and regression.
Correlation and regression.
Okay, all these things. So everything we are adapting based on the four-step process. Okay, so whenever you go to any company, so there is a second step 2.2. I think the data nature. That is your key to understand which technique you have to apply for which data. Okay, that table you have to use for selecting right technique for your data. Okay. Okay. So then finally went to descriptive, prescriptive analytics. Okay, descriptive mean what has happened, predictive mean what will happen, prescriptive mean what it is. Prescriptive mean what best can happen. Okay, what best can happen, that is called about prescriptive analytics. Okay, so in this we learn two techniques. What are the two techniques we learn? Linear programming. Another one is called what?
Transportation
Model.
This thing we are learning. Okay, so please understand this course is not a functional course. This is a basic course. Okay, you will be learning a fundamental course, basic course, and a functional course. Okay, so if you look at the fundamental course as well, economics and will come. Okay, this is the basic course. It will be used for any kind of subject wherever data is there. Okay, not only in the assignment, you can use it for project, internship, everywhere. Okay, so we have not learned 100% of analytics. We have learned basics almost all, whatever you can do it in Excel. We are learning. If you go to any company, mostly they'll use Excel only. Okay, so you try more and more if you apply, you will be very comfortable. Okay, if you go to some classes, you learn only Bharatanatyam or anything, they'll do teaching for some hours. After that, you have to practice, you have to participate in different competition. So you have to do something. Similarly, using this class output, you have to apply in the different project, different assignment. So more and more apply, you will be very comfortable. Okay, the data will be different, but the process will be same. It will not change. One size square mean category. Okay, all these things will not change. That is scientific method. Okay, only the data will change. Whatever I have given the data, same data you never use. You will use in your life, but the process and scientific method will be same. Okay, so my suggestion is try to replicate or try to use it in the different places. Okay, then regarding your final interim examination. Okay, so you will be having 100 marks. Okay, so in 35 marks will come in the multiple choice question. Okay, multiple choice question, no choice. Okay, 35 question come under multiple choice, and then next 25% case study. Okay, case study mean mostly you will get the output of third step. Okay, in the prescriptive analytics, they are not prescriptive. What is predictive analytics? You will get the output of this one. Only you write on first step, second step, then last step. Okay, last step managerial decision making. This you have to do it. Okay, so you will get the screenshot of third step. So mostly in the second question case study, you will get three questions. In the three question, you have to write two questions. Each question carry 12.5 marks. Similarly, third part, again three question will be there. You have to write two questions. And the last part, again three question will be there. Again, you have to write two questions. Okay, so maximum question you have to write how many questions? 6 questions. Okay, 2 plus 2 plus 2, 6 question you have to write out. So total question how many will be there? 9 questions will be there. Okay, apart from this, 35 questions will be there related to which one? Multiple choice question. Okay. Okay, I'll share the recorded video. You can go through. Okay, any doubt you can check with me later.
You need to type this, sir.
Which one? This is the number of questions. First is number of questions. It's a mark. Only you try down 6 questions for this one. That's it. First part is multiple choice question. Is it clear?
On multiple choice, there will be options, sir.
No option. No option. 35 question. All the 35 question you got that.
Okay. Sir, for a question.
So, sir, there is a multiple choice question or one fill-ups like that.
Now, what is the meaning of MCQ? MCQ means multiple choice question. Yeah. Only no fill the blanks, nothing. Only multiple choice question. No? Yeah. Any other clarification? My MCQ only multiple choice question. No fill in the blanks, no match the following, true or false, nothing will be there. Okay, that's all.
In case studies, there won't be practical questions, sir.
If practical questions are given, we should write the steps, sir.
Yeah, steps you have to write on. See, please refer the 4-step process. Third step I will be giving. Remaining steps you don't need to read anything. Just read whatever we are taught in the class. That's more than enough. You don't need to do any reading. Okay, apart from what we are taught in the class. Just you read almost same question.
Any sample paper?
No sample paper. Okay, so this is the format I've given. Everything I've given. No sample paper. So whatever I have given already, whatever you have discussed in the class, same thing you prepare at come. That's it. Whatever you discuss, same thing, same question will be there.
The duration of exam?
The 3 hours. That is standard. They will be sharing with you 3 hours or 2.5 hours. Normally 3 hours. Okay. Any other clarification?
Sir, midterm submission date is extended till November 17th, sir.
Number 17. Okay. Then I will upload accordingly in the Google Classroom. November 17, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Today only we have got update.
Okay, very good. Okay. Any other clarification? Okay. Thank you. Thank you. We will manage with online class.
Thank you, sir.
All the best for your examination. Don't worry, don't panic. Just relax. You read whatever we are taught. Just read and come. That's it.
Okay, sir.
As far as the first time you are teaching all this course in online, hopeful that video, everything is shared. Somebody have problem, just refer that video. Okay. Again, repeat. Don't need to read anything. Just read whatever we have discussed in the classes.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. All the
Thank you,
best.
sir.
I'll share the today's videos or video, the recording also. Okay. Any doubt, any clarification, you can call me or mail me.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Shall I stop this class?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Thank you. So all the best for your examination.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, when we have to upload
Thank you, sir.
sir,
Which one you have to upload?
midterm notes.
Yeah, you upload before examination. I have to upload. Sir, before examination, you upload your this one, your notebook.
Notebook.
Yes. Any other clarification, Nikita?
No, sir.
Shall I end the classroom now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So thank you. All the best. We see you all in campus. I want to see you all. I don't know faces and all. We have to see.
Yes, sir. Me too.
Good. Thank you, Mrs. Okay, bye. See you. Take care.
Bye, sir.
Linda,
Thank you,
Bye,
sir.
sir.
Thank you.